COUR stock analysis and price predictions for next week. Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. I am the only persona in this space with 43,000 video track record and 5 years of experience, and it wasn't until I paid mentors tens of thousands of dollars and learned the skills that has changed everything. I mean, Coursera, I'm not saying you should go ahead and spend tens of thousands of dollars. I'm saying what I did, especially with Coursera, is that this thing is pumping, right? My previous idea was bearish, and it definitely delivered to the lows next time, and then it started pumping the opposite way. What I'll do here though is just be completely open-minded to this long side. What does that mean? That means that I'm ready to pull the triggers towards the upside, right? So buy more. The only thing that I'll be buying though is if the price pulls and gives me the double break confirmation, right? If that's not met, then I'm not gonna buy. Like, ultimately that's what it's going to come back down to. And what I will do in the meantime is just wait for the rules to be met. That's what I'm doing. You know, when the CEO there's no receipts before that in the Discord, which is fine. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll keep you updated.